In this video, I will provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to start your coding career. So, let's jump right in. First, define your goal and choose a programming language that aligns with them. Consider Python for utilities, JavaScript for web development, or C++ for system programming. Next, find reliable learning resources. Online platforms like Codemy, Udemy, and Coursera offer courses to help you grasp the fundamentals. Start building practical projects to gain hands-on experience. Create a personal website or contribute to open source project to showcase your skill. Network with other coders and attend tech events or online coding communities. Collaborations and mentorship can accurate your learning and open doors to opportunities. Showcase your skill through a well-structured resume and a portfolio website. Prepare for coding interviews and demonstrate your problem-solving abilities. Congratulations! You now have the key step to start your coding career. Stay curious, keep learning. Good luck on your coding journey. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more coding tips.